Hello, dear children. Today I am going to read a very interesting story, The Very Busy Spider by Eric Carle. So, shall we start? Yes. So, I'll read the story. Early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field. A thin, silky thread trailed from her body. The spider landed on a fence post near a farmyard and began to spin a web with a silky thread. Look, with a silky thread. "Nay, nay," said the horse. "Want to go for a ride?" The spider did not answer. She was very busy spinning her web. The spider did not answer. "No, no," said the cow. "Want to eat some grass?" The spider did not answer. Very good. Busy, yes, she's busy in spinning the web. Did not answer. Then, "Baa, baa," bleated the sheep. "Want to run in the meadow?" The spider did not answer.
She was very busy spinning the
She was very busy spinning
web.
her web. "Meh, meh," said the goat.
Said the goat.
"Want to jump on the rocks?"
Want to jump on the rock? The spider did not answer. She was very busy spinning the web.
Yes, so she's right. The spider did not answer. She was very busy spinning her web. See? Look carefully. Oink, oink,
I
grunted the pig.
grunted the pig.
"Want to roll in the mud?"
Want to roll in the mud? The spider did not answer. She was very spinning the web.
She was very busy spinning her web. See? It did not answer. Woof, woof,
Woof woof!
barked the dog.
Barked it up.
Want to chase a cat?
Want to chase a cat? The spider did not answer. She was very spinning the web.
She was very busy spinning her web. See?
Meow! Meow! Meow!
Cried the cat.
Cried the cat.
Want to take a nap?
Want to take a nap? The spider did not answer. She was very busy spinning the web.
Yes. See? The spinning the web.
Quack quack!
Quack, 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 quack. Called the duck.
Called the duck.
Want to go for a swim?
Want to go for swim? The spider did not answer. She was very spinning the web.
Yes, she was very busy in spinning the web. But now she had now finished her web. See? The web is finished. So, cuckoo,
Cuckoo!
crowed the rooster.
Crowed the rooster.
Want to catch a pesky fly?
Want to catch a pesky fly? The spider did not answer. She was very spinning the web.
Yes, and the spider caught the fly in her web. Just like that. See? See? It caught the fly. So, asked the owl,
The owl.
"Who built this beautiful web?"
Who does the beautiful web?
The spider did not answer.
The spider
She fell asleep.
Yeah, because she had fell asleep.
Yes.
It had been a very, very busy day. So,
Wow!
Spider is now very tired and sleeping. So, because it has now completed its web.
Mama,
Yeah.
दोबारा